Hello, my technical friends. This is Lab 4.2.5 and this is TestOut Linux Pro, and we are going to configure dual boot. So the IT manager has asked you to set up a dual boot capability on a Linux system so that the system boots to Windows 10 by default, but can also boot to Linux if needed. There is an external hard drive connected to this system with Windows 10 installed. You need to configure grub 2 to have your system boot to the Windows operating system by default. So in this lab, your task is to change the default menu option for the grub 2 bootloader to Windows 10. Write the new grub settings to the grub.cfg file, reboot the machine, and confirm that it boots to Windows 10 operating system by default. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So we'll just go ahead and start lab. So we'll just wait for the lab to load, and this lab has loaded. So let's go ahead and type in here nano space /etc and /default /graph. Okay, so we'll move down till we get to let's see. So this is gonna be Windows. Windows 10. All right, so let's see. This is going to be grub 2 -mkconfig -o /boot /grub 2 /grub .cfg. Okay, go ahead and press enter. And it's going to be space reboot. Go ahead and press enter, and this is Windows 10. And while in Windows 10, press enter. And it's now booting to Windows 10, so we just go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel, and also consider joining my professional membership where you get insiders specs and detailed video on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.